I cooked a big batch of pearl barley this week. Let me show you how I turn it into 3 tasty dishes. To prepare the kimchi fried barley, chop a green onion, cut smoked tofu into cubes, and set them aside. Roughly chop up some kimchi and a couple cloves of garlic. On medium-high heat, melt butter in a pan and add some olive oil. Start by frying up the kimchi and the cubed tofu. Let it cook for a few minutes before adding the barley. Stir until the grains are well mixed in. Make sure to check the saltiness of the kimchi before adding in the soy sauce. Then mix in the green onions. I was too lazy to scramble the egg in a separate bowl, so I just cracked it directly in the pan. For the last step, turn off the heat and drizzle some toasted sesame oil. It's best served and enjoyed right away. It's packed with flavor, nutrients, and super easy to make. To make the beet barley salad, cut up 3 medium-sized boiled beets into large pieces. Then add cooked barley and white beans. Mix in a good amount of olive oil and a little drizzle of red wine vinegar. Add some feta cheese while breaking up the pieces with a spoon. After everything is well mixed together, do a quick taste test to see if anything else needs to be added. The salad is great on its own or as a beautiful side to any dish. To create the breakfast barley bowl, cut up some soft dates and add it to a blender. The sweetness can be adjusted by adding more or fewer dates. Add half a ripe banana into the blender. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds. Finally, add 1 cup of milk of choice. Then blend everything together. Do a taste test to check the sweetness levels. I added the other half of the banana for more flavor. Add pearl barley and the milk mixture into a small saucepan. Cook on medium-low heat until the grains have softened. I cooked this for about 15 minutes for a softer consistency. Serve this with your favorite toppings. I added a few hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, some almond butter, and a kiwi. I really enjoyed the subtle sweetness from the dates and the banana, and this breakfast bowl definitely kept me full.